Click, watch, subscribe, and share. Maverick only on YouTube. Only what the? Stay hype and happy always. Only. Good day, my friends. Maverick only is in the building. Well, today is our dental day. Well, medyo kasi nabawasan ng diamante yung ipin ko. So, pumunta lang ako dito sa Bunoan Dental Clinic dito sa Ortigas sa aking doktor, which is isa sa mga pinakamahusay at pinakamagandang doktora na nakilala ko ever since I started sa showbiz. She was there already to sponsor me. Nagba kundi si Doktora Ethel Bunoan. Well, medyo dok kasi na nabawasan ng diamante yung ipin ko, so papadagdagan ko lang ng konti. So nakita niyo naman, very festive ang kanilang clinic. Ang Christmas tree nila, totoong puno. Totoong puno ba ito? Uy, wala secretary. Ano sa tingin mo, totoo to? Yung puno na to, totoo ba to? O plastic lang? Ilaw, no? Pasyente ka rin dito, ate. Pasyente ka rin. Oh, ang ganda ng ano mo, Chuck Taylor mo. I like your shoes. I like the drip. So, ate, ano, papadagdagan mo rin ng diamante yung ipin mo?
No, braces po.
Ah, braces. See, okay, if I can see it. Kasi I used to wear braces also eh.
Maglalagay pa lang po.
Ah, magpapalagay ka. Congratulations. Actually, nagbe-braces din ako dito. Dito ko rin ginamit yung braces. Kaya, pero ngayon nag-upgrade ako, ano na ako eh. Naka-girls na ako eh. Diamante na. Pagtapos mo ng braces, definitely, bato na yung papalagay mo dyan. What's your name, ate?
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay lang kung sama ka sa vlog. Sino doktora mo dito?
Hindi ko pa po sure.
Hindi pa sure? So mo si Doktora Ethel na agad? Na-try mo na ba siya, yung may-ari? Hindi pa.
First time ko lang po dito.
First time? Oh, welcome. Welcome time, newbie. Oh, mag-candy ka. Ate, may bago pala tayong pasyente rito.
Yes po, yan si Ma'am Rachel.
Ma'am Rachel, oh, bigyan mo na ng wala ba tayong candy dyan para masira yung ipin niya? Ito, ha? Ayan, Rachel. So, how did you know about naman tong clinic, if I may ask?
Yes po, through Facebook.
Facebook?
Yes.
Is it okay if I can see your face? Kasi medyo balit na. Sige na, come on. Para makita ka naman, mainit ka pala. Maganda ka naman pala, Rachel eh. Taga dito ka sa Ortigas?
No, Taguig po.
Taguig. So, sinearch mo lang sa Facebook? So, what made you like come here or search the clinic?
Wala, pan-checking po kasi is, marami naman po siyang good reviews po.
Talaga. Oo naman. Kilala mo ba ako? If I may ask.
Actually po, hindi.
Hindi. Hindi ka sanay makakakita ng artista? Oo. My name is Maverick. Oo.
Sorry po?
Maverick. Rachel. Sige. Mamaya Rachel, i-re-recta kita kay doktora. Sige. Nice to meet you, Rachel. Okay, so nakita niyo dito, malamig, may aircon, may TV, at halos sa buong building ngayon dito sa Medical Plaza, sa kanila na. Okay? So, actually, while you're waiting, you can do a lot of stuff here. Relax ka lang. Okay? Actually, maraming batang takot sa dentista. Isa na ako dun. Kasi nung bata ako, medyo ibang klase pa yung mga dentist nung araw eh. Medyo hardcore. Yun. Ikaw ba nung bata ka, Rachel, takot ka sa dentista rin?
Yes po.
Lahat naman tayo eh, no? Pero kailangan, di ba, talagang dapat alagaan yung ipin. Kasi, you might not know, baka mamaya may maka-lips to lips ka na, di ba? If you don't mind, where do you work? Are you working or student ka pa?
Working po, BPO.
BPO?
Yes po, call center.
Call center. So, magaling ka mag-English? Ganun ba? Totoo ba yun? Pag mga call center, magaling mag-English? Hindi ba? Tagasagot ka rin ng telepono? Ganun ba? Tagasagot ka ng phone? Sige, thank you, Rachel, So, ate, nandiyan na naman si doktora, no?
Yes,
alam niya na nandito.
Repairing na lang ng gamit niya, sir. Tapos
Sige,
ikaw na.
Okay, thank you. Oo nga pala, pagtatawag sila, ano bang cellphone natin?
Cellphone number.
Oo. At sino nga hanapin? Tanggal mo yung face mask mo para makita na how beautiful your face is. Diba?
Pwede po check ako ng payment.
Trisha ba? Diba? Tama?
Miss Emeline po.
Anong cellphone number natin?
Sa Miss Denise na lang po. Sa
Ha?
Miss Denise yung...
Miss Denise?
Yes po. Scheduler namin.
Okay.
Dito sa clinic.
Okay. So, where do they contact? May
Clinic
FB page ba
number
tayo?
namin po is 0927
0927
215
215
3956.
3956.
Yes po.
Si Denise.
Po. Yes po.
Okay, sige. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Quiet in the room, rolling! 4, 3, 2, goddamn action!
Hi, my name is Kamsel. You can follow me at Facebook page at Kamsel. Please click watch and subscribe at Maverick Only on YouTube. Only. What the?
Okay. So, nice to meet you, no? Mauna na ako sa'yo. Kasi pag VIP, talaga unang muna. Okay na ba ate? Nandiyan si Doktor. Ito reality to, guys. Hi, Doktor. Doktor Ethel's in the house. Hi, Doc. Ang gaganda naman mga dentist natin dito. Ayan. Hello. Ang laki na, Doc, ng clinic natin. Parang overlooking Ortigas ka na. Si Dr. Ethel Bonoan in the house. Doktora, can you take off the mask para makita muna na yung kagandahan nila? Mo. Oh, wow, Doktora, napaka-sexy mo ngayon, ha? How are you, Doktora? I love the drip. Ganda ng drip ni Doktora. So, Doktora, long time.
Yeah.
Well, kanina, nung nagbablog ako sa labas, na-explain ko lang sa kanila na sabi ko kasi nabawasan lang yung brilyante ng ipin ko eh. Sabi ko sa sila, ikaw gumagawa ng brilyante natin. So, magpapadagdag lang ako.
Okay.
Ito ba yung mga prodigy mo, Dok?
Yeah.
Ang dami ng dentista dito, Dok. Para may eskwelahan tayo. Ha? So, Doctor, how are you? How have you been? It's a long time, 10 years. I haven't seen you.
No more than 10 years.
Yeah, more than actually.
Doing good.
And I heard buong Pilipinas daw may Bonoan clinic na tayo. Ha? But I heard marami na tayong branches talaga.
Yeah. Pero doing fine even after the pandemic and all.
Yeah.
Still blessed.
Talaga. Well, congratulations, Doc. And I saw si Ayon, medyo...
Yeah.
Oo, malaki na siya ngayon eh.
I know,
Bata pa
we saw
siya
her.
nun. Yeah, when she was still studying. Ngayon, assistant mo na yata siya, right?
No, she has her own na, diba?
Oh, she has her own now.
Actually, this is more of hers than mine.
Oh, yeah? Pero ba't mas sexy kayo sa kanya?
Ay!
Mas sexy kayo sa kanya, Doc eh. Parang hindi niya ata naman yung kaseksyan niyo.
It comes with age.
So Doc, medyo pa-overall ko muna itong ipin na.
Sure.
Kasi Doc, baka makapag-lips to lips ako ng foreign actress eh.
Of course. Okay.
Sige.
That's what I'm here for.
Sige, thank you, Doktora.
Sige.
Cotton, quiet in the room. Rolling. 4, 3, 2, action.
Hi, I'm Rai. Hi, I'm Yomi. Watch and subscribe the misadventures of Maverick Only. Dito lang sa Totoong TV Only. What the?
Doktora, question.
Yeah.
Talagang drip yung mga dentista natin dito, no? Talagang napaka...
Kasama ka.
Ba't tumatalikod kayo? Ba't kayo tumalikod? Balita ko napakaganda ng mga dentista natin dito. Usually ba dito ba sa sa
Face value.
sa clinic, how many dentists do we have right now?
Right now,
I mean your regular. I mean
we had just a 5 or 4, depende lang kami.
5 or 4. Pero marami tayong syempre mga nag-a-assist din, di ba?
Yeah, oo. Kailangan.
So Doc, yung mga branches pala natin, saan na ba? Ito meron tayong dito sa Medical Plaza sa Ortigas, right? Ito yung main natin.
Yeah. Then you have Makati.
We still have St. Luke's sa
No more na.
wala na
That's
siya.
Kasi
Kasi doon ako nagsimula, sir.
I know.
Oo.
That's
That
where
was
we all started.
2003.
More than that, 2000.
More than, mga 2000 pa, di ba, Doc? Oo nga, pero Doc, mukhang bata pa rin tayong dala hanggang ngayon.
Siyempre.
Oo. So now we have Ortigas Medical Plaza,
Ortigas, and then
Makati, we have
Makati, and then Quezon
Medical
City.
Plaza, I heard
Yeah.
also. Okay.
Quezon City.
Quezon City.
And then, we have
BGC.
Taytay. No more BGC.
Wala na yung Fort Bonifacio natin, okay.
Taytay.
Taytay.
And then Sukat.
Sukat, okay. And we have also Alabang, I heard, di ba? Na
No
pinamana mo.
more Alabang. Pinamana ko.
Pinamana mo dun sa
Pinamana ko.
napaka-loyal mong,
Yes.
kay Doc Asel, di ba?
Yes,
Yung
pinamana.
unang dentista rin na humanap, na humawak sa akin, di ba? Yung mga
Yeah, she was with
nag-umpisa
me
pa
for
siya.
18 years.
18
So,
years.
She deserved that.
Talaga. Napakagalante mo talaga, Doktora. So, Doc, meron ba tayong Facebook page na pwede nila i-check para
yeah, we have.
inquiry? Actually, Doc, not for anything. Kanina, nung simula ako mag-interview, ito si Rachel, isang pasyente natin right now. She told me, nakita niya lang sa Facebook yung page natin.
Yeah.
Kaya she's here right now to have her braces.
Yeah.
Diba? Napaka-effective. And I was asking her, how did she know about it? Maganda daw kasi yung reviews.
Thank you. Thank you naman.
And actually talaga naman, I can vouch for it because I've been with you for more than 20 years. Hindi lang yan. Pati
30 na.
No, hindi, 20 lang, Doc. Tapos si Madam Lucci pa ng
Yes.
Channel 5.
Yes.
Lucci Cruz Valdez, di ba?
Yes.
Ayun yung mga hinahawakan mo ng mga
Only credible people.
credible people. And mostly lahat ng cameraman namin sa Channel 5 before.
Yes.
So Doc, thank you very much. Nakaka-smile na ako ng walang grills right now.
You're more than welcome, and thank you for looking for me and finding me again.
Oo, kasi sabi ko walang hahawak na ipin natin kundi si Doktora Ethel Bonoan lang. Siyempre Bonoan Clinic all around Manila, Metro Manila yan,
Yes.
right? And I got the numbers na rin sa assistant mo eh.
Yeah.
Yung, meron tayong Facebook page.
Yeah.
Ano yung Bonoan Dental
No, it's
Clinic?
B-Dent Care Center HQ.
Okay, B-Dent Center HQ.
B-Dent Care
B-Dent Care
Center
HQ, yeah.
Because it's now mostly affiliated clinics, not anymore just one. Affiliated.
Talaga. So talagang nag-branch out yan, Doc.
Yeah.
So again, Doktora, thank you very much. And
You're
more power
most
to you. And babalik ako next year, Dok. Paayusin pa natin yung ibang kailangan natin ayusin. So again, Doktora Ethel Bonoan in the house. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Stay hype always. Only what the... Okay, so we're here with the beautiful, bellissima Camille. Hi, Camille. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Yeah, I love your drip. Goddamn, it's hot.
Thank you.
And you're fine as hell. I love the eyes. Where can I buy your eyes?
On the luxury shop.
Oh yeah, but your eyes are original. They're like, what, are they gray, green? What?
They gray, blue.
Gray. Wow.
Yup.
They change. Okay, so the reason why I was here because today was the drop of the Jordan 4, right? And I wasn't able to get my size back home. So I was just
Yes.
trying, because now I'm in Paris. Hopefully you have it here. Do you have it here?
You have to win it. But yes, I guess we have some. It's a mystery, so
Okay. Also, I have to win the raffle, right?
Yes.
And that's the only way you can buy it.
yes.
But the question is, what if they didn't claim it? If they don't claim it?
What if what?
Unclaimed. if they, for example, somebody wins the raffle but he didn't claim it, so you can sell it, right?
Maybe.
Back home it's like that.
Maybe we can ask to our manager.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So will you be able to ask if there's an unclaimed size 11?
Maybe we can ask.
Oh yeah?
wanna-
Would you help? Yeah,
wanna
yeah,
come
please.
with me?
Yes, yes,
Alright.
sure. Okay, so wow. So good of you to help me out.
I mean, I will try everything I can to help you out.
Wow.
Alright.
Wow, when you come to my country and I'll take care of you. Don't worry.
Oh, I appreciate it. I
Yeah.
heard that you eat good in the Philippines.
Yeah, we eat good. We eat adobo.
What?
Adobo, you like that? It's like sauteed pork or chicken
Oh,
with the chicken liver.
I already know I will love it.
Yeah, I know. But you know what? The only French I know is French kiss.
Oh yes, that's
Yeah,
true.
yeah, that's true.
The best kisses.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
So,
for real.
okay, so she'll ask it and then babalik ako. Okay, so I'll just cut and then we'll ask your manager.
Yes.
Thank you, Camille.